Hi guys, Johan here. Today at the shop we've got a brand new Amarok Bakkie. The customer picked it up yesterday from VW, drove it straight here. We're going to do a single stage paint correction. We're going to do full frontal self-healing PPF. We're also going to ceramic coat all the seats for it. For you guys always asking why we paint correct brand new cars, this Bakkie, brand new, 68 kilometers on the clock. As you can see, it's full of fine scratches, swirl marks and imperfections in the paint. We have to get those out before we apply PPF, otherwise it's always going to be there and you're always going to see it. There you go. This new Amarok Bakkie came to the shop. We did a single stage paint correction. We detailed the interior, we ceramic coated all the seats and the steering wheel. Then the client is going to use this Bakkie as his daily driver. So we applied full frontal self-healing pre-cut PPF. So as long as he owns it, doesn't have to worry about scratches or any stone chips. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. We try to bring new videos for you guys every Wednesday and every Sunday. Check out our other videos. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.